Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain you about the topic unnecessary evil. It is a topic from your NCRT book and it is from the chapter friction. Okay, see, in this we will learn about that friction. It is a necessary evil. It means it is necessary also whenever we do any kind of work. Friction will be there. Okay, and it is necessary evil because it has both harmful effects also and beneficial effects also. It means sometimes it is good for us and sometimes it is bad for us. Okay, now I will explain you how it is harmful and beneficial effects in our lives. Okay, see, first example is that we can walk easily on the ground, or we can easily walk because ground offers friction. Okay, see, you can see in the picture, on this direction there is force applied, and in the opposite direction it is friction. Okay, in the less friction, walking situation becomes almost impossible. It means if friction will be reduced, or if the floor will be slippery, okay, then there will be less friction and it will be difficult or almost impossible to walk properly on the floor. Therefore, friction is very necessary. Even a simple task like walking we cannot do if there will be less friction, or if we do not have proper amount of friction. See the next example. It is difficult task to move on a muddy track. Okay, wet muddy track or wet marble, because they both become slippery. Okay, their irregularities becomes filled with the liquid. This is because of the surface offer very less friction, okay, or very small amount of friction, and we cannot move on that floor. It will be difficult for us. Another example, soles of shoes. As you can see here in the picture, they have grooves. On new shoes always there are grooves, but as we use them, then their grooves become escaped, you can say. Okay, or they shoes loses their grooves on their soles, and when they loses their grooves, so the friction will be reduced. Okay, and grooves are there on the shoes so that they provide better grip, so that we can walk easily and we can run easily while wearing shoes and sleepers. Okay, another example, the tires of vehicles have treads for better grip. Okay, you can see there are treads. Okay, these are treads on the tires and they are for better grip. Okay, so that tires can move firmly on the road. Okay, it provides friction to the surface of road. When treads are worn out, the tires need to be replaced with new one. Okay, more examples, friction can also produce heat. I have told you earlier also, when you vigorously rub your hands together, you feel heat in your hands. Okay, so this is also the example of uh, friction. Okay, and you can categorize them as advantages and disadvantages of friction. If they are good, then they will be advantages, and if they are bad for us, then they will be disadvantages. Okay, writing with the pen, it is an advantage. It is possible because paper provide friction to the tip of the pen. Okay, so it will be counted as advantage. When a machine is operated, heat is generated and it causes much wastage of energy, so it will be disadvantage of friction, you can say. Okay,